welcome to your kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen. I thought I'd wear my very glamorous pajamas today.
Do you really go to bed like that?
Every night.
So we're talking about bedtime rituals. Yes. We thought we'd get together and make some content about, you know, how we get to sleep at night, because everyone's so stressed and we all have trouble sleeping.
It's that knock-on effect if you don't have a good night's sleep, how that's going to affect you the next day, mentally, physically. It really is.
Obviously, we're going to make one of the drinks.
Yes. And I brought out my good cups today. I have a slight routine before bed. I guess when it comes to food, I try and get myself into somewhat of a regular routine. So I have my dinner and I try not to eat, I don't know about you, but for me, I try not to eat dinner
too late.
Same. So about 2 hours before is a good time just to let it all digest. After dinner, I like to have, I'm going to bring this in, I don't know if you can see this.
Yummy.
I like to create it's super simple. I just have yogurt, cut up a bit of a banana, a few raspberries in there, let's hope they're washed. This is not rocket science, this dessert. Super easy, but it tastes delicious. It actually looks very similar to INTUWELLNESS. So here you go. Ooh, yes.